Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make videos like Detyo Bon. First, you'll need to choose your motivational audio. This audio will be the foundation for your entire video, so select something impactful. Next, prepare your script, breaking it into short, punchy phrases. This makes the text animation process much smoother and keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Now, let's focus on the text. Select a strong, bold font such as Rubik or Roboto to ensure your message is easily readable. Add a subtle shadow and a white glow effect to make the text pop against your dark background. Animate each word or short phrase to appear precisely with the audio, creating a powerful, synchronized visual experience for your viewers. For the visual backdrop, begin with a solid black background or a dark, minimalist image. This provides a clean canvas for your text. You can then introduce subtle visual elements, such as a virtual desk, a glowing fire, or a smoke effect, to add depth and atmosphere. Remember, these visuals should enhance, not overpower, your core motivational message. Finally, review your video to ensure all text animations are perfectly synchronized with your audio. Pay close attention to the timing. Even a slight delay can disrupt the flow. For optimal quality, export your finished video in 1080p at 30 frames per second. This resolution provides a crisp, clear image for most platforms. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.